Don't forget to tap the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our contents. Christopher Watts' lawyers attempt to cast doubt on why prosecution wants autopsy records sealed. Attorneys for Christopher Watts, the Colorado man charged in the deaths of his wife, 2 daughters, and unborn son, are attempting to cast doubt on why Weld County prosecutors want to keep the autopsy results sealed. They voiced concern that the state could be leaving them in the dark about witnesses, according to a Friday filing obtained by Law&Crime. Because the government's claim that the release of the autopsies may taint witnesses who have not been interviewed seems to suggest that there are witnesses that the government knows who may slant or change their testimony based on the autopsy results. Mr. Watts has an obvious and substantial interest in developing the record on it claim, according to public defenders John Walsh and Catherine Harold. From the filing, it is not clear if the government's assertion means that it has knowledge that witnesses may change their testimony once they see the coroner's opinion. It is not clear which witnesses the government knows about who have not been interviewed that may have that reaction to the opinion of the coroner. It is not clear what information the government possesses that would lead them to that conclusion. They say concerns about tainting potential jurors is groundless, because details will likely be shown in court ahead of trial. Now they want a hearing on the prosecution's ostensible reason for wanting to stop the release of the autopsies of Shanann Watts, 4-year-old Bella, and 3-year-old Celeste. These reports might prove key to the ongoing court fight. Chris Watts admitted to killing his wife, but claimed that Shanann had murdered their children after he asked for a separation. Prosecutors clearly think that that's not possible. They charged him in the murders of Shanann and the girls, for hiding the bodies, and for terminating his wife's 15-week pregnancy. The case caught national attention before charges were filed, and the victims were just considered missing. Watts spoke with the Denver 7 News team, and pleaded for their return. "This house is not complete without anybody here," he said. The victims were found on property belonging to his employer at the time. Investigators said the girls were discovered in mostly full oil and gas tanks. A status conference is set for November 19th. Thanks for watching. Check the description below to watch other videos, and don't forget to tap the subscribe button.